As the day unfolds, so do the stars reveal their guidance. Let's explore what the cosmos has in store for Aquarius on June 4th. A moment for self-reflection and love emphasizes the importance of expressing your emotions clearly to deepen your connections. Embrace new opportunities and utilize your adaptability and communication skills to excel in your career. Expect a boost in your economic well-being as you make smart financial choices. In harmony levels, love shows 58, career reaches 78, and money stands at 85. Let's delve into the heart of today's cosmic message, tailored just for you. The stars suggest a time of introspection in your love life, urging you to ponder the emotional currents that flow between you and your significant other. This period may highlight the need for clearer communication, ensuring that your feelings are understood and appreciated. As the stars align in your favor, opportunities for advancement in your career may present themselves, beckoning you to step outside your comfort zone and showcase your skills. Your ability to communicate and adapt will play a pivotal role in turning these possibilities into successes. As the stars align in your financial sector, a wave of prosperity is poised to enhance your monetary stability. Wise investments and prudent savings strategies you implement now will lead to a gratifying increase in your financial health. The numbers weaving through today's cosmic tapestry for you are 4, 7, 9, 11, 14, 62. Embrace the hue that the universe highlights for you today. Your personal color is dim gray. Your guiding stone for today, resonating with the universe's energy, is amethyst. Nature whispers its secrets today through the plant that resonates with your soul's vibrations, which is bird of paradise. To tip the scales of fortune in your favor today, consider embracing this good luck charm. Always keep a bowl of oranges on your dining table to attract prosperity and good luck into your home. Steer clear of misfortune by being mindful of this superstition today. If you sneeze an odd number of times before leaving your house, you will face misfortune throughout the day. A cosmic compliment to brighten your day. Hey Aquarius, you're such a breath of fresh air. Wind face, your innovative spirit and originality are out of this world, just like Uranus's influence. Sparkles keep being awesome. Today's key astrology event. Today, June 4, 2024, you'll experience a remarkable shift in the cosmos as Jupiter, the planet of expansion and good fortune, makes a harmonious trine with transformative Pluto. This potent aspect encourages profound personal growth and can bring powerful opportunities your way. It's an excellent day to embrace change and take bold steps towards your ambitions. If you've been waiting for a sign to aim higher or to pursue your deepest desires, this is it. Harness this energy to create positive transformations in your life. The moon's phase on this day is waning crescent, and it offers you the following insights. Today, June 4, 2024, according to the lunar calendar, we find ourselves in the early days of the 5th lunar month, typically known as Duanwu or double fifth. This is because it corresponds with the traditional Chinese Duanwu festival, celebrated on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month. Tonight, the moon is waning, transitioning slowly from the luminous full moon that recently graced our skies. In this quiet phase of reflection, it's a perfect moment for you to relish the subtleties of the night as the moon's light diminishes each evening. Let's draw inspiration today from these words of wisdom by Ava Celestine. Trust in the stars to align for you as you journey toward your dreams. The universe conspires to support the brave. Our star path ends here today. But guess what? The universe has more secrets waiting for us tomorrow. Stay ready and starry-eyed.